Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And in this video, we're going to talk about the different buying areas and re-entry levels that I'll be doing kasi of course kaka-payday lang natin. So yeah, magkakaroon ako ng mga bagong buy orders and then hopefully ito mga i-share ko sana makatulong din sa inyo if gusto nyo ulit mag-enter ng malalaking trade. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you the different buy levels na I'm currently watching out for, and then of course, doon ako maglalagay ng malalaking trades. And more likely, it would be more in spot wallet, pero pinag-iisipan ko kung lalagyan ko siya sa futures. But yeah, I'll be moving this more into spot wallet. And of course, magkakaroon pa din ako ng mga short-term trades like yung mga pang futures and yung mga kurot-kurot na maliliit na trades. Pero yeah, this video is mainly about the different buying areas na I'm going to watch out for, especially for my investment. So if you want to know more of the buying levels that I'll be saying in here, stay tuned to know more. Before we start this video, meron tayo actually guys the free crypto giveaway, and it's actually here in crypto.com. So makita nyo actually itong video dito sa taas, may card dyan sa taas, or you can actually find this in the description down below. So dito sa ating free crypto giveaway, makikita nyo actually itong video, and then dito sa video na to, meron tayo dito ng link na dadaling ka dito sa page na to. And then dito you just have to follow the certain criteria and then just submit it, and then yeah, pipiliin natin yung winner sa September 27. So sali lang kayo guys hanggat maaga pa. So yeah, let's dive into this video and let's look at the Bitcoin price first things first before we dive into the different buy area. Because of course, everything is dependent with the Bitcoin price action, and of course, it's fundamental. So right now, for the Bitcoin price, we are actually at a falling channel. So if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you could actually see na meron tayong falling channel. So I know, it's actually somewhat of a continuation movement lang siya, not unless magkaroon tayo ng break to the upside or to the downside. So right now, wala tayong specific target. Pero if nag-break tayo to the upside, then ang technical target natin dito would be this top of the channel. Pero if nag-break tayo to the downside, we can actually use this height and then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout, and then yun yung ating magiging technical target. So right now, there's no definitive target dito. Not other than this 48.4K na pwedeng maging target if mag-break natin to the upside. But yeah, pretty much, I think we're going to consolidate further pa for the Bitcoin price action, especially we are currently in this massive major resistance. Now, I think we're going to get somewhat of a more consolidation dito. And yeah, the more we consolidate dito, I think we're going to more likely catch up with this 50 moving average, kasi of course, this 50 moving average is going to follow along the way. And as you can see, this same area is also a previous support for the Bitcoin price. So, makita mo doon tayo nakuha ng support, and then the similar support, then ay ng mga support. So yeah, this is currently a strong support right now for the Bitcoin. So I think we're going to hold off this line. And yeah, and with that being said, I'm going to talk about different buy trades ngayon, yung mga buying opportunities ko, and of course, pampasok na malalaking trades sa aking investment. So we're going to talk about different coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, VeChain, Axie, AVAX, Solana, and DOT. So let's start with Bitcoin. Ano ba yung buying areas natin dito? So yung mga buying areas ko would actually be by getting this different support areas. So, tagyan natin yung mga support areas na nakikita natin ngayon. So, we have multiple bounces here. Let's add another one here. And then, lastly, ito. Ayan, dyan yung mga buy areas natin. Now, yung mga resistance areas na pwede din nating tingnan, if ever na ma-break natin yon, it could be this one. You could actually say that this is also another resistance area. And then, lastly is this resistance. So right now, ang mga buying areas ko would be this specific level of 46.8K, 45.6K, 44K, and then yeah, if ma-break natin to, let's say nag-consolidate tayo dito tapos hindi na fill in yung buy order ko dito tapos na-break natin tong area na to, then maglalagay ako ng buy order dyan which is around the 48.3K. And yeah, pinakamalaking trade na siguro ilalagay ko if let's say tuloy-tuloy siya sa taas would be this one kung nagkaroon tayo ng confirmation with volume. Kailangan natin ng buy volume, remember, above the 50.9K in order to say na tuloy-tuloy tayo to the upside. And yeah, buy volume and of course, candle close. Specifically daily, mas maganda kung may daily candle close tayo above the 50.9K. Kasi if you're going to look at the 50.9K, previously dun tayo nagkaroon ng fake out kasi look at that, wala tayong buy volume upon breaking that one. So, no buy volume, nagkaroon tayo ng sell volume, so bumagsak tayo. So, right now, we need a buy volume dito above this 50.9K in order to continue our move to the upside. So, yun yung mga aking buy areas dito, 42 point. So, meron tayo 42 point. So, yeah, ayun yung mga buy areas ko dito. To summarize, 42.2K, 44K, 44.6K, 46.8K, 48.3K. And then, if ma-break natin to, 50.9K yung mahalagang area dito. Now, let's dive into Ethereum Buy Areas. So, let's look at the different buy areas dito kay Ethereum. Now, you can actually use this specific buy area which is itong Fibonacci. But yeah, lagyan natin siya ng line para ito yung magiging specific buying areas natin. So, you could actually say that this is a good buying area around the 3.3K or 3,350 to be exact. You can also add dito isa pa sa $3,000 US. And now, pwede mo rin gawing buying area tong 3.2K. But as of this moment, meron tayong resistance na nag-form sa 3.5K. So, yeah. It's either na abangan natin siya mag-dip ulit dito. So, it's either kasi mag-play out siya dyan eh. So, dito sa area na yan. Pero let's say, nag-drop siya ulit dito. Then, this could be a good buying opportunity ulit around the 3,350 or 3,370 area. But yeah, yun yung ating titingnan dito. Pero if ma-break ni Ethereum tong area na yan with volume, then yeah, I think this is a good buying opportunity na ulit for Ethereum. So, yun yung ating magiging buying opportunity right now for Ethereum sa spot. And yeah, if ma-break natin to, then of course, if meron tayong mga volume above this area, of course, daily candle close is maganda if may daily candle close above dyan. And of course, may buy volume with daily candle close. Then of course, that's a very sure buying opportunity dito for Ethereum. Now, let's look at Cardano kasi at Cardano, we are actually seeing this resistance still. So, right now, ang buying opportunity right now for Cardano is actually right now, we actually have this good buying opportunity ngayon kay Cardano. So, you could actually add in ngayon sa funds mo ngayon kay Cardano kasi yeah, this is a good buying opportunity. Now, ang isang maganda opportunity din natin dito would be if ma-break natin tong resistance. So, right now, if ma-break natin to, then we could actually fill in big buy orders dito. So, right now, kailangan natin ma-break ito in the 4-hour time frame. And of course, kailangan natin ng volume in order to confirm the move to the upside. Ngayon, anything that goes below dito sa 2.3K would be a very good buying opportunity ngayon for Cardano. So, I think, regardless kung anong price action, as long as below the 2.37 US dollars, then I think it's a good buying opportunity right now for Cardano. Now, for VeChain, I think we are seeing this wonderful move right now for VeChain kasi I think we're relatively staying strong above this 1 cents around the 11 cents area. So yeah, I think we are in a very good buying opportunity right now for VeChain. So yeah, I think I'll add more VeChain dito sa area na yan. And yes, as of now, yun pala nakita kong buy opportunity dito for VeChain, which is this area. So ngayon, siguro maglalagay akong mamaya ngayon ng VeChain, another buy orders kay VeChain. And then yeah, if ma-break natin tong area na to above 14.37 cents, then I think we're going to see a move to the upside. So, kailangan natin ng buy volume above this area. So, previously, wala tayong buy volume above this area. As you can see this, as you could look at this closely, itong area na yan, ito yun, no, walang buy volume. So, yeah, right now, kailangan natin ng buy volume above this area in order to say na tuloy-tuloy na si VeChain pataas. Pero yeah, that's my buying area dito for VeChain. I would actually buy now for VeChain. So, yeah. And then, Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is pretty stable right now. So, dadagdag din ako ng Axie Infinity opportunity ko dito. So, ngayon maglalagay ako ng buy order ko dito. Then, yeah, I think best buying opportunity would be the 63 US dollar area. But you could say na 66 is also good. Pero I think yung pinaka-optimal area dito would be this $63. So, yeah, I think set ka ng buy order dito sa 63.47 or 64 para maging safe ka para makuha siya. But yeah, you could actually buy now for Axie Infinity. Now, let's talk about AVAX kasi AVAX or Avalanche is actually looking pretty good right now. And if we're going to look at AVAX, it actually ranked higher ngayon than Uniswap. It actually ranked higher than Chainlink, Litecoin, LCC. So yeah, I think Avalanche is looking pretty good right now. So yeah, pag-usapan natin yung kanya mga buying orders kasi of course I think this would be a very good move. And yeah, look at this guys. In AVAX movement ngayon is actually at this area. So we have this Fibonacci retracement showing na we can actually go higher for AVAX at around the 75 US dollar area. So pwede natin siya i-target. But yeah, as of now, wala pa tayong exact movement kasi look at this. I think RSI is starting to go down. So this is a bearish divergence kasi look at this. We have this increasing price and then declining RSI. So that is a trend reversal to the downside. So in this case, I'll be buying more Avalanche dito. I think ang magiging opportunity dito would be the 20 moving average or the 50 moving average in the early time frame. So yun yung magandang tingnan ngayon for Avalanche. But yeah, ang buying opportunity dito right now, ang pinaka-optimal as of this moment is around the 63 US dollars. So pretty much the same actually kay Axie Infinity. So 63 US dollars yung kailangan yung tingnan dito na area as yan yung tingin ko magiging magandang salo dito sa Avalanche. So kanina yung optimal, ito siguro yung practical which is this 50 moving average in the early time frame. So yung magandang entry for Avalanche. And yeah, I'm pretty bullish ngayon for Avalanche. So if you're going to ask me if maganda ba si Avalanche, ang pinaka-general answer ko dyan is I don't have much to say about Avalanche, but if it's going to be in the top market cap coins, then I think this is showing big potentials for the Avalanche price action. So yeah, maglalagay ako ng Avalanche ngayon. So bumili ako actually ng Avalanche dito sa area na yan around the 61 or I think that's 59 US dollars. Bumili ako dito ng Avalanche and then actually ang bilis ng inakit niya na. Kasi if you're going to look at this as spot lang, remember spot lang ginawa ko dito. This is already 20%. So I'm already 20% in profits by just buying sa spot dito kay Avalanche. So yeah, so far pretty good ngayon tayo for Avalanche. Now let's talk about Solana kasi I believe marami din nagtatanong kung ano yung buying areas kay Solana. So yes, bigyan kayo na update natin dito. So ito kasi ang nangyari dito, we saw this massive pump. But right now, ano ba yung pinakang technical target natin, pinakang buying orders natin dito? So let's try to draw this Fibonacci. Kasi previously, gumamit tayo ng Fibonacci in order to determine kung ano ba yung magiging maximum target natin. And yan, nakuha nga natin siya at around that area. So right now, ano ba yung magiging pinakang buying opportunity dito right now for Solana? So right now, ang pinakang buying opportunity would be the 120 US dollars area. So yeah, ang pinakang optimal buying area ngayon is the 120 US dollars. So I think Solana can actually go down to that area, 120. So if masalo mo yun, then I think that would be very good. Let's look at the moving average kasi at least dito sa moving average, mabibigyan tayo ng idea kung saan yung magandang buying area. So right now, we are actually breaking down from this 20-day moving average. So by that time, siguro na mag-decline or gumalaw-galaw si Solana dito. Kasi possible na at this area, pwede tayo mag-bounce dyan. I think Solana can actually meet this 50-day moving average anytime soon. So yeah, I think pretty much 120 up until, actually between $90 up until the $120 yung good buying opportunity for Solana. So kung gusto nyo mag-enter ng Solana, $90, yung 95 to be exact yung pinaka-lowest point, but 120 pinakang practical or safest. So yeah, you could actually follow that for Solana. I think we're going to see more consolidation muna dito for Solana after that massive pump in the previous days. So yeah, normal lang naman na magpahinga yung mga coins. So if you want to enter Solana, 95 and $120 yung aking tinitingnan ngayon na level. And lastly, let's talk about Polkadot. So Polkadot, ito yung magiging buying orders natin. Let's look at the different support areas. So let's try to draw this horizontal line and then try to find some support areas. So ay meron tayong bounces off there. This is another bounces. And then this is another bounce. So yeah, right now, I think ang magandang area for Polkadot is actually the $32, 32.12 to be exact, pero nag-bounce off na tayo dyan. But let's say mag-consolidate tayo dito and let's say nagkaroon na rejection. But yeah, maglagay ka ng buy order dito just in case na masalo niya yung $32. But as of this moment, I think it's a good buying opportunity right now for Polkadot. So yeah, so far so good tayo for Polkadot. And let's try to look in dito sa $34 kasi if, let's say magkaroon tayo ng daily candle close above the $34 with buy volume, then I think possible na tuloy-tuloy tayo papataas kay Polkadot. So right now, yun yung kailangan tingnan kay Polkadot. And yeah, remember, daily candle close above this area with buy volume ang crucial dito in order to say na continue na yung movement natin to the upside. So ayun muna yung update natin dito guys sa mga iba't ibang buying areas. And especially kung maglalagay ka ng big trade sa inyong mga spot wallet or mag-stake ka, you can actually buy at these different areas for the different coins. And guys, since maglalagay tayo ng malaking trades, the best thing to do with those big trades is to actually stake your coins. And the best place to stake your coins is actually in Crypto.com. So Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app. And yes, ito kay Crypto.com, you you can actually grab this Visa card na maganda dito. But on top of that, pwede ka na actually mag-stake ng coins. And dito kay Crypto.com, you can actually stake your coins up to 14.5% per annum on crypto and 14% on stable coins. So yeah, now is the best time to stake your coins. So if gusto nyo mag-stake, I highly suggest na dito kayo sa Crypto.com. And you can actually use my referral code. Makita mo dyan in the description down below, which is Gabs Crypto. And yeah, if you want to follow different copy traders when it comes to trading different altcoins, I highly suggest na you trade in Bingbon. Kasi dito kay Bingbon, you can actually follow different traders. And yeah, if you want to follow a specific trader, you can actually trade here sa Bingbon. And yeah, if you want to get 10% off from your trading fees, you can actually use my sign-up link na makita mo dyan sa description link down below. So yun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.